Hello everybody, we are at the Brenton Lofts on Brady in Davenport, Iowa. I'm going to give you a tour of our B floor plan. Our B floor plan is a very nice unit. Lots of natural lighting when you walk in. When you enter, we have our coat closet for all of your winter coats in the Midwest. We've got your bathroom area. It's got a full-size washer and dryer. You've got a tub and shower combo. Got a brand new vanity that offers a medicine cabinet for added storage. Every unit comes with a fully equipped kitchen appliance package, including your dishwasher, electric oven, over-the-range microwave, and refrigerators that have automatic ice makers. You've got built-in shelving. This is your bedroom area. All of the units come equipped with energy efficient heating and cooling systems. Closets that have extra shelving, 2 levels of shelving. Each unit has its own internet modem. So on the day of your move-in, you would pick your internet package and you have immediate access to internet. The B floor plan offers these barn-style doors, sliding doors, which are space savers. Your kitchen has automatic spray nozzles that pull out for rinsing your dishes, garbage disposals, soap dispensers, cabinetry with adjustable shelving. The refrigerator with the ice maker. Floor to ceiling windows give you an abundance of natural lighting. You've got a heating and cooling system in your living area. You've got spectacular city views. You've got Aldi grocery store right in your backyard. Prime location. Two-tone paint schemes. Gives it a modern look. And that is our B floor plan at the Brenton on Brady.